Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this Christmas cracker in Growy Garden game of Roblox in new Christmas update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Christmas cracker looks like. And before we track the base value of this fruit or this plant, I'm going to show you how you can get the Christmas cracker seed. If you want to get the seed, you need to join this event guys and make sure that you earn the gold gift or the rainbow gift because you can only get the Christmas cracker seed from the gold gift with a 2.08% possibility, and also this rainbow gift with 6.9% possibility. Okay, and luckily I could get it guys, and I have already planted this plant in my garden, and this is how the Christmas cracker tree looks like. Okay, it's cool guys, and this is a defined plant if I'm not mistaken. And now let's check the base value of this Christmas cracker. Okay, I'm going to click on how much is this worth. Ooh, 100k shekels. Okay, it's really worth to keep it in your garden, and it's unique. Okay guys, and that's all about the Christmas cracker in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.